Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's first time you're stopping by, you're highly welcome. So guys, I'm going to show you people how I made this trending TikTok hairstyle from scratch. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're yet to subscribe, please consider doing that. So this is the Brazilian wood that I'll be using. Okay, I'll just pick one of it, and then I have to roll it out to the length I want. After that, I use my scissors to cut it, then comb it out.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the.
So guys, the next thing now is to part my hair. Depending on the size you want, you're free to part your hair according to the size you want. Okay, so when I part it, then I apply some hair wax. Okay, so I'll be able to make a very smooth and clear pattern. Then I use my hair comb to get a very good clear pattern. Okay, so when I'm done with this, then I have to start parting my hair into bosses. Okay, depending on the size I want. So when I part the size I want, then I apply some hair wax on my hair, okay, for easy gripping and also to get a very clear pattern. Then I first of all start with my natural hair. I braid like 2 times, then I start feeding in the brows wool. Okay, this is exactly what I'm doing, so just go ahead and watch what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm going to show you people everything, how I did the coils and everything, okay, in this particular video. So stick with me to the end so you'll be able to see how I achieved the hairstyle I showed you guys earlier. So I keep feeding in. I do add the brows wool. I add like 4 times. Okay, then I'll start braiding. I braid down to the point where I want the coils to be, then I'll just knot it. Okay, I knot twice. So this is me just parting another one. Okay, when I part, I apply some hair wax on it. Meanwhile, I use a clip to hold my hair to avoid disturbing when I'm braiding. So when I apply some hair wax, I use my comb to smoothen it. Then I divide my natural hair into 3 like you see. Then I go in and then braid. Okay, I hold my hair, braid like twice, then I'll start feeding in the brows wool like that. So I add like 4 times. Okay, I added like 4 times then before I start braiding. I braid it to the point where I want my coils to be, then I knot it twice. Okay, just like that. Remember what we are using? We are using this new Brazilian wool. So I'm going to show you people how I did everything, the hot water process, the coils process, everything. Okay, so just stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys everything. If you have any question, okay, let me know in the comment section. So this is me simply parting my hair. Okay, apply some hair wax to give it a nice comb. Then I divide my natural hair into 3. Okay, then I start bobbing my natural hair. I do like twice. Then I start filling in the brows wool like that. Okay, you can feed in your brows with this way. You can still use any other way that you prefer. Okay, just use any pattern that you're more comfortable with. So I'll continue like this till I add like 4 times, then I start braiding to the point where the coils will be, then I knot it twice and move over to the next pose. So guys, keep watching, okay?
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So guys, when I part my hair like that, so I first of all start with my natural hair. Okay, I bob my hair twice, then I start feeding in the brows one. Okay, so I start feeding in the brows bowl. I had like 4 times, okay, before I start braiding it down to point where the coils will be, then I have to knot. I knot it twice. When I'm done, then I move over to the next pose. So guys, keep on watching, stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z. If you know you found any value from this video, please consider subscribing, like this video, okay, share the video, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very glad to attend to them.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself.
So guys, this is it when I'm done with the whole braiding process. So now it's time for us to actually do the coils. So I'll be using these flimsy rods for the coils. So I pick like 5 pieces of my hair, then I give it a nice comb, okay, and then I roll it on the flimsy rods. I didn't twist the hair, okay, I did not twist it, I just roll it like that, smoothing it to make it flat. Then I roll it in a flat manner without twisting. You don't need to twist it. So this is just what I'll keep doing till I'm done with the whole stuff, okay. Then I'll go ahead and apply hot water on it. So guys, when I'm done doing this process, the next thing I did was to apply hot water on it. I poured hot water on a bowl and then I dip in the root parts. Then after which I use a towel to dip in the hot water and then massage it on my whole head. Okay, so this is when I'm losing the coils, and finally this is the coils. Next thing just for me to pack it, and then this is what we have. Just look at this. I was super happy, guys. Like, I'm just so happy that I did it myself, and you too can try this. Just try it out. You can do this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.